How to remove a headlight assembly from a 2008 Chevy Malibu. Remove all 4 retainer clips from the top of the bumper cover. Remove the 6 bolts that secure the top of the bumper cover and the 4 bolts that hold the plastic cover for the engine. Remove the plastic cover from the front of the engine compartment. Remove the 6 bolts from the bottom of the bumper cover. There are 3 on each side. Remove the 6 retainer clips from the front of the inner fenders. There are 3 on each side. Reach in between where the fender and the bumper cover meet, and you'll find a bolt in front of the tire. Remove the bolt from each side. Pull each side of the bumper cover free. Have a friend or neighbor come over to help you remove the bumper cover. If it hits the pavement, it will get scratched, so you may want to put a blanket or tarp down to protect it. Remove the mounting bolt from the front of the headlight assembly. Remove the mounting bolt from the side of the headlight assembly. Gently remove the headlight assembly. Make sure to disconnect the wiring.